What's up everyone, this is Jalay. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be unboxing a gaming mouse by Logitech, which is G402 Hyperion Fury. This mouse was released in August 2014. Yes, the technology inside this mouse is 6 years old. However, this is still one of the most popular and affordable mice in the market, and in this video, I will try to explain why. But first, let me quickly unbox it and see what's inside. The first thing you will see inside the box is this G sticker. Next is the card promoting Logitech's other gaming products. This card explains how to get Logitech's G Hub software, which I will show you in a minute. And the last one is the warranty card, which says that this mouse has a limited 2 years of warranty. Now let's take a closer look at the mouse itself. The G branding on top of the mouse does lit up, but only with one color. This mouse has 8 programmable buttons and controls, namely primary click, secondary click, middle click, DPI up, DPI down, forward or G4, back or G5, and DPI shift. All of them are individually customizable, and I will show you how later in this video. Aesthetically speaking, this mouse looks and feels pretty premium. Now let's see how to download and install the G Hub software. Go to the Logitech support page and search for G402 mouse. Once you are on that page, go to the download tab and download the latest software. Now just open the executable file you just downloaded and click on install. Please stay connected to the internet, as Logitech will download a bunch of stuff as a part of the installation process. Once it's done, the software should be able to detect the mouse attached to your system. The first option you will see is the light sync, which provides 3 options to customize the lighting on the mouse. You can keep it fixed, which means always on, which is default selected, or turn the lights off, or set it to a breathing effect, which I personally like. You can set the color as well, but within the range of the blue scale colors. The second option is the assignments, and this is where you can assign different commands or processes to 8 individually customizable buttons. You can just look for the commands or keys from within the G Hub software, drag it on top of the key you want to customize, and that's it. You can also assign software level access buttons. So for example, if you don't have an Elgato Stream Deck, maybe you can use your mouse buttons. You can assign macros or maybe a launch application action as well. And the last one is the sensitivity or DPI customization options. These are the options the DPI up and down button will go to when clicked. I personally like 600 when on Windows and 1100 when playing games. Rarely I go over 1100 as it's too fast for me. That's not it. You can customize this button for each game. Maybe you want to throw a bomb on DPI up and reload on DPI down. I just love this thing, as I can utilize the true potential of this mouse when playing games. Now let's talk about some awesome technology this mouse has in it. Logitech claims that this is an ultra-fast FPS gaming mouse. How? Well, this mouse has an optical sensor featuring Logitech's Delta Zero technology coupled with Fusion Engine hybrid sensor, enabling tracking speed exceeding 500 inches per second, which is the speed nearly impossible for a human arm to reach. The 32-bit ARM processor used in this mouse powers the Fusion Engine, which uses an accelerometer and a gyroscope, augmenting the capabilities of the optical sensor. Now if you are a gamer or seen a gamer doing those insane flick shots, they tend to move their mouse pretty fast, and it is technically possible to go even faster than the optical sensor, causing it to fail track, but that's generally a tenth of a second. To mitigate this situation, this mouse continuously provides data to the system, so you never miss your target because of your speed. And you can also customize this in the G Hub software. Overall, I think this is an amazing mouse with great specs. With this mouse, you have the ability to change the DPI from 240 to 4000. The material used on this mouse is also nice and feels premium. I bought this mouse for 2200 rupees and I am pretty satisfied with it. That's been it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more PC related content, and I will see you guys in the next one.